Fight! Away we go. Weapon up to speed immediately on Torx. But in underneath goes LabmAnaconda. Good driving there.
There's that control, you see. That beater is all well and good, but if you can't actually get at your opponent's chassis, it's all for nothing.
But it drifting around the arena nicely, slipping and sliding, and that weapon up to speed now comes into contact with LabmAnaconda's wedge.
Yes, it's the vulnerable sides of LabmAnaconda that they've got to keep their nose facing the danger.
And they have done thus far. Good control by LabmAnaconda. Torx up to speed though. Good control by LabmAnaconda in underneath, and the lifter goes up. Has got some fangs underneath the lifter if they want to use it as a grabber as well.
Oh no! That vulnerable side there nibbled away by Torx.
Up to speed though, Torx once again. Struggling again to win that battle for low ground.
Oh no!
Though.
Oh dear. LabmAnaconda now not looking quite so pretty. A crucial part of that lifting arm, part of their armaments, comes shearing off.
The force involved with these robots, absolutely incredible. 200 miles an hour spinning mass, ripping apart plastic, metal, you name it.
Yeah, I think all of the above is on the menu for Torx.
Comes in again. Doesn't really get a good contact that time, though. Now it will, round the back.
Oh dearie me, I think Labman was hoisted by their own petard there. So low they got stuck on the arena floor. Torx took the advantage and now is on the offensive.
Although that weapon did stop briefly for Torx, and again LabmAnaconda keeping the pressure on is crucial for beating a spinner. Not letting them get a chance to get away, but they have done now though. Weapon up to speed.
Talking about up to speed, the shredder has come live. We're halfway through this fight.
Big impact there on LabmAnaconda. The tyre shredded on LabmAnaconda, but good pushing match between the two.
See, they were equal measure there when it came to traction and torque. But oh no, Labman looking a little bit worse for wear now.
Yeah, that front plough is now bent and buckled, and I think it is impacting its drive. It's kind of pinned into the floor, not allowing it to translate as it would like.
LabmAnaconda's mouth opening wide as if in a silent scream
to
say, stop it!
Another big hit there, and the wheel of LabmAnaconda has been compromised. I think Torx is in the ascendancy now. You see they're bent, and the wheel's gone completely, shredded away. Torx, slow start, but is now starting to rack up the points.
Oh my word, yes, we've got 30 seconds to go on this fight, but surely this has got a win for Torx. The judges have called it. Win by knockout. Give it up for Torx!